bought a cast iron cooker last year at the national show. It's a wonderful grill. I cook in cold weather. I live in Wisconsin, so it's cold a lot of the year. Wonderful experience buying it, cooking on it. It's made like no other grill. I really have no complaints. If I was going to buy another grill this year, it would be this one. It's a wonderful grill to cook on. Like I said, it's well built. Really no complaints with it at all. Completely happy. Family loves eating. I try to cook every night, and that's what they really want. So, like I said, wonderful experience buying it and using it every day.
Ken, what's one of the things you like about the cooker?
Actually, very easy to cook on, well built. I really have no complaints, and I could have took a pick of any grill here to buy, and I'm really happy that I bought this one.
How does it cook in cold weather, Ken?
Well, I get home from work, I start the grill. Within a half hour, I start to cook. I like to slow cook. I usually don't rush it. Sometimes I do when we have, burgers or something like that I'm cooking, but a lot of loins and meat, I like to cook off direct heat. So I can come home, start the grill, put it on, not really worry about it, come back later, check it, roll it, and I have a delicious meal every time.
Ken, have you had any problem with the grill breaking or giving you any malfunction in any way?
It's by far the best built grill in the industry. I would have no complaints. It's made to last. I plan on giving it to my girls when I'm done using it, so it'll be in our family forever.
And would you buy another one?
Today, absolutely. Over all other grills here. And we have a variety of grills. I mean, this is the place to go. And I am truly happy with my grill.
There
100%.
you have it from Ken in Wisconsin.
And I love grilling.
Thank you.